Here are 10 interesting facts about the Kaaba. 1. The first house of worship. The Kaaba is considered the first house of worship dedicated to the worship of one God. According to Islamic tradition, it was originally built by Prophet Adam and later reconstructed by Prophet Ibrahim, Abraham, and his son, Ishmael. 2. The Kaaba's original shape. The current cubic shape of the Kaaba is not its original form. Historically, it had a rectangular shape. The Quraysh tribe, when rebuilding the Kaaba before the prophethood of Muhammad, PBUH, could not afford to rebuild it completely and left out an area known as the Hijr Ismail. 3. The Black Stone, Hajar al-Aswad. The Kaaba contains a sacred black stone, believed to be sent from paradise. It is embedded in the eastern corner of the Kaaba and is kissed by pilgrims during the Hajj or Umrah, if they can reach it. The Kaaba's cover, Kiswah. The Kaaba is draped in a black silk and gold curtain called the Kiswah. The Kiswah is replaced every year on the 9th of Dhu al-Hijjah during Hajj. It is embroidered with verses from the Quran in gold and silver threads. 5. Tawaf. Muslims perform tawaf by circumambulating the Kaaba 7 times in a counterclockwise direction. This act of worship symbolizes unity among Muslims and their submission to the will of Allah. 6. The Station of Ibrahim, Maqam Ibrahim. Near the Kaaba is the Maqam Ibrahim, a small glass-enclosed structure that contains a rock with the footprint of Prophet Ibrahim, Abraham. It is believed to mark the place where Ibrahim stood while constructing the Kaaba. 7. Non-Muslims are prohibited from entering. Non-Muslims are not allowed to enter the city of Mecca, where the Kaaba is located. This restriction is in accordance with Islamic teachings to preserve the sanctity of the Holy Mosque. 8. The Kaaba has been rebuilt. Several times over the centuries, the Kaaba has been rebuilt multiple times due to damage from natural disasters, wars, and fires. Its most significant reconstruction was during the lifetime of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, and the most recent renovation took place in 1996. 9. The door of the Kaaba. The Kaaba has a golden door that stands about 2.13 meters above ground level. Originally, it had 2 doors and even a window. The current single door is made of solid gold and was installed in 1979. 10. The inside of the Kaaba. The interior of the Kaaba is simple, with a marble floor and 3 pillars supporting the roof. The walls are lined with green cloth and adorned with Quranic inscriptions. Inside, the space is used for prayers, although access is limited. These facts highlight the spiritual, historical, and architectural significance of the Kaaba in Islam. Thank you for watching.